Hello, I'm Alice, your virtual DGSHAPE assistant. Am I an avatar? Yes, but I'm different. I have a human heart. Because I work with a team of fantastic colleagues who care for me and have made me an expert, always ready to help DGSHAPE users like them. We will often see each other on these channels. I am now part of the DGSHAPE team. Today I will show you a new fantastic tool, DGSHAPE Insights. Are you ready? I'm ready to surprise you. DGSHAPE Insights is the new web app for all DWX users. We developed this web app to empower your business. Its strength is the data and analysis that you can manage. What is your benefit to using it? Monitor your milling jobs effortlessly and gain a clear view of your production trends. With Insights, you can make smarter decisions to optimize efficiency and improve workflow. Save time, enhance accuracy, and maximize your lab's potential, all in one intuitive platform. Your need our focus. As a digital dentistry expert, you understand DGSHAPE Insights potential. Fully understanding your business through your data creates new opportunities. The many internal functions of DGSHAPE Insights will help you better understand your business with your DWX. Whether you use one or more DWX in your dental lab, clinic, or milling center, DGSHAPE Insights will help you understand their performance and better set up your valuable work. Here's an example from our demo data about the many functions. If you have a DWX 5-axis dry machine or a DWX wet milling machine, you can see a report like this on your machine status. It includes spindle replacement, collet tightening, coolant replacement, and more. This is a tiny sample because of the many data you can obtain with DGSHAPE Insights. It's awesome, right? It's free and available to all DGSHAPE customers who have a DWX. How to start using DGSHAPE Insights. It's very simple. Do you know we have a fantastic new website? Please go to the DGSHAPE global website, then open the cloud page. Then click the button to open your DGSHAPE account. You must agree to the terms and fill in your data. After that, you will receive an email and you can start using DGSHAPE Insights and connect your vPanel. It's really simple, right? Remember, my colleagues have a chat on the new website if you need any help. Empowering people to shape the future is our mission, and DGSHAPE Insights is our gift to you. I'll await you on board the Insiders Trailblazer community. Be ready, many other videos will arrive.